Why ain't tell me? See, y'all ain't real. What is up, guys? It's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I'm back at you with another video. So y'all don't mind me, I look a little rough, just a little bit, but I am about to do my hair. So I decided that I am going to come on and show you all how I rod set my locks. So first thing I'm going to do is spray my locks down so that they have a little bit of moisture in them. So when I do rod them, they hold the curl. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer to kind of speed up the process, because I'm not going to just walk around with my hair wet. So I'm just going to show you all the things that I'm using, and then we'll get started. All right, guys, so the tools that I'm using today to do my hair, I do have some clips to clip my hair out of the way. I will be using the purple and the white rods. The purple rods will be in the back and the white rods will be closer to the front, so I can have a tighter curl up there. And I am using the Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HCO leave-in conditioner, and that's what I will be misting my hair with today. And that is all that I'm using, you all. So I am going to do a spiral curl on my hair. In order to get the spiral curl, you do have to start from the bottom and wind around and around and around. And then once you get to the top, you pin, and that's how that goes. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to mist these misting bottles. You kind of pump them and they mist away, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and mist my whole head. Let me take this earphone out. I always got that in my ear. But like I said, this is a leave-in conditioner, so you can spray this on your hair and not have to rinse it out. And as you can see, it just keeps misting. But yeah, I'm gonna do the back and then I'll come back and show you all like my halfway process. I think I'm just gonna rod the front on camera, and then the back is what I'll be doing off camera. So I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys, so as you can see, I did get my entire back done. So now I'm just working on my bang area, and then your girl gets to get under the dryer. So basically what I'm doing is I'm like somewhat parting my hair off, and then I take my section, twist it, and clamp it out the way. Then I go in and palm roll the twist, grab my rod and wrap, and then I just kind of roll. And I kind of go up and down with the roll so that it fits the entire rod, and then clip it, tighten it, and then on to the next one. All right, y'all, so I am rotted all the way around. I hope that was focused enough for y'all to see, but I am rotted all the way around. I am going to sit under the dryer until my hair is dry, and Lord, I pray that doesn't take a long time. I'm going to go ahead and mix some more leave-in. Because I want to make sure my hair is conditioned well, and I will be back for the end results. Y'all pray that this come out right, because your girl gonna be so hurt if it don't. Like, I'm gonna be so hurt because my hand cramping. Look at it, it's shaking. It's shaking. This finger right here, it just keep. Y'all pray that this comes out right, and I will be back. Yo, so I'm sitting here thinking that my whole head is rotted, and I done turned around and showed y'all, and I still got 2 locks back here that ain't got nothing on it. Why y'all ain't tell me? See, y'all ain't real. Y'all ain't real. Let me put these 2 in, and then I'm gonna get under the dryer. So y'all, I am still under the dryer. Well, I'm about to get back under the dryer. The back of my hair is still wet. So, yeah. But I'm about to get back under because I need my hair completely dry before I take the rollers out. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. And yeah, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I took one down. That's what the curl looks like. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is how my hair turned out. It's actually not a complete fill. It's actually kind of cute. I like the front curls better because they're tighter. So I think next time I might just use like that color rod all around. But it did give me a like bob almost. So I turn around. I hope y'all can see that, but it kind of gave me a bob. But I am not disappointed with this look at all. So that is your girl's video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing more videos like this, hopefully. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with all your family and your friends. And your girl is out.